Okay, I'm going to show you how we feed Sammy. When I have to leave him for the day in his cage, I cut this bottle like this, and then I hang it, because if I put it up here, or if I put it down on the ground, it will be covered in ants by noon. So Sammy here is our pet raccoon. And then, so since he's going to be in his cage all day, I want to leave him with food. So this is what I do. I have this long string. It's attached here. It's a long string. And then I put the bottle on the end. I'll show you how I do that with this little clippy. But before I do, which I've already done this, but I take this string and I cover it in undiluted Dawn soap. Now, he doesn't touch this at all. He never needs to. And even if he did, I don't think it really hurt him all that much. But, hey, Sammy. Hey, baby. And so anyways, I'll show you what we do here. I pull the string up through the top here and bring it down to here. Then I put the little clippy on there and then pull it up like this, so it comes up all the way like this. No, Sammy, give it to me. No, you can't have it yet. Can't have it yet. No, not yet. He's very, he's very bushy. But I'm trying to do a video, sweetie. You can't do this yet. And so anyways, see, he's going to try to get it. But anyways, here, you can't pull the string. Here. So I put it down like this, and then it just hangs. Come on, Sammy, you can come down here and get it. I'll show you how he does it. Plus, it gives him something to play with. And, I gotta change his water here. He gets really dirty. He gets his water dirty. He gets in it and puts mud in it and everything else. But he's also got this little pole over here, and he swims around in that. But anyways, I'm going to try to show this to you and see if he'll come down here. Oh, wait to see what he does. I know he wants to get a snack, so he'll start to come down. You got your toys. You got your toys over here. Okay, come on down so I can get a movie of you. I guess he's not going to go down there. I already fed him his breakfast, so I'm not sure if he's going to come down and check out what he's got. Maybe he will. Looks like here he comes. Come on, Sammy. Come on. He's not real hungry because he just had his snacks. There he goes. Here, Sammy. Let me show you what's in here. Look. Hey. We're looking over there. Come here. Hey. Look what I got. So, with this hanging like this, it gives him something to do, too. And, raccoons always need something to figure out and something to play with. And with it hanging like this, he actually has to pick up, look inside the container and figure out what he wants and pull it out. And then it keeps him from eating too fast, too. As you can see, he's a little tubby. But anyways, so this works out really well. It keeps the food off the ground. He does not dump it over. He just gets what he wants out of it. And then this little string here keeps the ants from showing up. And the only thing I haven't figured out yet is how to keep the birds out, other than rewiring the cage. We have regular chain link on this fence, on this cage. It was a dog kennel, and we changed it into his cage, which works good for him. But with the chain link being big, the birds come in, and what do? They come in here and they eat his dog food. I got dog food in there in the bottom, just as a thing to keep him, make sure that he's always got something to eat. But I give him other stuff. He's got eggs and all kinds of other stuff in there. But anyways, I just wanted to show you how we feed him so that we can keep ants out. And you know what? This also works with hummingbird feeders too. if you have a problem with ants getting into your hummingbird feeders, wherever it's attached, just put straight up Dawn soap on the string, and they won't cause it. They hate that stuff. So anyways, I hope this tip is helpful if you have a pet raccoon.